Another question we quite often get asked is, when do I change the teeth? When do I know they're worn out? So it's fairly easy with the tungsten carbide ones. Once that carbide's gone, that tooth is really ineffective. What you need to notice on the cup tooth is that once that point starts wearing back through the tooth here and you're almost through a bit of hard facing, then it's really again becoming a really ineffective tooth. It's not doing a lot, and it actually will start to inhibit the ability of the chain to penetrate the ground, and you're really just labouring your machine up, burning up extra fuel that you don't want to be doing. That's usually a good time to change your bolts as well. You don't want to be reusing the bolts over and over and over again. Obviously they fatigue over the time, so good practice is you don't want to have to go and put a whole set of new teeth on with old bolts. You get out and you snap a couple of bolts and you're back, you lose a tooth, or you're back in the shed having to replace it. So good time to do a bit of maintenance then. That's the time you want to check all your spacers as well, make sure there's no fatiguing or wear on those. And on the bottom of your chain, you'll notice there's rollers. Good time to inspect those. That is also a wear point. Those rollers are contacting your drive sprocket and your nose roller. So steel on steel, mixed in with dirt, obviously that's going to be a wear spot. Take your time to check that each day before you go out on the job, so you're not getting caught in the middle of a job with a breakdown that's going to end up impacting you on your performance of the job.